Hello, welcome to Let's Korean. I'm your Korean teacher, aka Ko-T Amanda. Today, I'm going to teach you how to greet people in Korean. Basically, just how to say hi in Korean. In the Korean language, unlike in other languages, we have 존댓말, formal language that you should use with someone you're not close to, someone who is older than you, or with strangers that you meet for the first time. And there is also 반말, which is informal language that you can use with someone who you are close to. First, I'm going to teach you how to say hi in formal Korean. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Hi. 안녕하세요. Hello. 안녕하세요. 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 안녕 means well, well-being, okay, good. So literally means how are you? But it is used more like just say hi or hello. The person might answer with 안녕하세요 in the same way. And informally, you might say 안녕. Basically, you just remove 하세요 at the end. 안녕. Hi. 안녕. Hello. Let's repeat one more time. Hi. 안녕. Hello. 안녕. Here, I want to point out one important tip. When you learn Korean, you might not want to sound awkward. Or you just want to sound more natural and fluent, right? So in this case, reagent is very important when you learn any languages. For example, when you say, how are you? You don't say, how are you? You say something like, how are you? It sounds more natural, right? So in Korean as well, don't pronounce letter by letter like 안녕하세요. But use reagent when you pronounce it like 안녕하세요. It sounds more natural, right? Similarly, for informal greetings, it's not 안녕, but it's 안녕. So, it doesn't really sound related to reagents, but it's more like an intonation or the speed, but it's like 안녕, not 안녕. Okay? Today we have learned basic greetings using reagent. In the next video, I will teach how to say thank you in different situations. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Korean learning videos. And please leave me some comments for Korean language and culture questions. Thank you for watching my video.